Hello? Can I help you? Hello? Mr. Bear? What you doing?
Hi.
Hi. How was your day?
Hi. Good and bad.
Good and bad.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Bear.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Bear. I love you.
Mom,
Yeah?
I want spin cycle.
Okay, come inside and do it.
No. Stop coughing.
Stop coughing, Bear. You're so gross.
Oh, well, funny.
That's not funny. You're gross.
Stop it.
Stop it, Bear. You're so crazy.
Oh, wait, jumping. Jumping.
You're jumping. I see you jumping. Oop.
Anna.
Now you're spinning.
School bus.
Yeah.
Anna.
Anna comes. Anna comes every other Wednesday. She rings the doorbell too.
William.
Huh?
William.
William?
Yes.
Is that a friend from school?
Lazarus.
Lazarus? I know that's a friend from school.
Quintod and Kai and Lazarus.
Quintod and Kai and Lazarus? And James?
And Erickson.
And Erickson?
All your friends.
All your friends. And April? Yeah, I don't think the doorbell works anymore, Putty. I think you broke the doorbell part. But that's okay. All right, come inside, bud.
No.
Yes.
No.
You're so crazy, Bear.
Kai. Quinton and Kai and Erickson and William and Anna.
Yeah, your friends?
Was dark. By Talking Tom.
You're Talking Tom? Yeah, you love to play Talking Tom. And he plays the piano.
Wait, we'll like you.
Huh? Okay, buddy. I gotta get your stuff out of your backpack, so come inside.